Welcome to Bike Shift, the place where we explore upcoming two-wheelers, future launches, and the machines designed to redefine the roads. Today, we take a detailed look at one of the most exciting upcoming models in the commuter segment, the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters. Royal Enfield has always been known for its thumping engines, classic designs, and strong road presence. But the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters marks a new direction. It's Royal Enfield's bold move to enter the lightweight affordable commuter category while keeping its signature retro DNA intact. This model aims to offer premium styling and brand prestige at a lower displacement, making it accessible for a wider audience. The design of the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters stays true to the brand's classic identity. It features a rounded fuel tank, a chrome-touched headlamp, and minimal modern elements to preserve a vintage look. Slim but stylish body lines, metallic color tones, and a compact frame make the bike visually appealing. Overall, it brings the iconic Royal Enfield charm in a lighter, more approachable form. At the heart of this motorcycle lies a newly developed 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. It focuses on refinement, smooth power delivery, and impressive fuel efficiency. While it may not deliver high-end performance like bigger Royal Enfield models, the tuning is perfect for daily city riding. The engine offers good low-end torque, easy acceleration, and a calm, controlled riding feel ideal for beginners and commuters. The 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters balances modern features with a retro soul. It is expected to come with a semi-digital instrument cluster, LED DRLs, a silent electric start system, and possibly smartphone connectivity for basic notifications. Safety features include a front disc brake with single-channel ABS and a well-tuned suspension setup for comfortable rides across varying road conditions. Royal Enfield has ensured that this motorcycle maintains the comfort levels riders expect from the brand. The upright seating position, cushioned seat, and well-positioned foot pegs make long city commutes stress-free. Its lightweight body and smooth engine response contribute to stable and enjoyable handling even on congested roads. With efficiency being a priority for the 125 cubic centimeters segment, Royal Enfield is expected to deliver mileage competitive with other commuter bikes. Riders can expect strong fuel economy, low maintenance costs, and dependable performance, making it a practical choice for students, office commuters, and first-time motorcycle buyers. The 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is anticipated to enter the market with an affordable price tag while maintaining the premium appeal of the brand. It is expected to launch in select markets first before expanding globally. With its blend of style, economy, and heritage, it has the potential to become a standout model in the 125 cubic centimeters category. The 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is more than just a commuter motorcycle. It represents a strategic move by Royal Enfield to offer its legacy, design, and reliability to a wider audience. Whether you're a new rider or a daily commuter looking for a stylish and efficient machine, this upcoming model promises a fresh riding experience.